Hey team, JT Accessible here. Today we're going to talk about table header errors and Word for Windows 2016 Accessibility Checker. Error. Table headers. Rule. Tables specify column header information. Checker verifies. Tables and/or blocks of cells have the header box selected or a header row indicated. Why fix? Users rely on the table headings to understand the content that is subsequently read by the screen reader. Also, assistive technology often uses the table header row to help convey to the user the current cursor location in the table and to provide information that enables the user to navigate the table. In the example, we've added a table without designating any table headers. That's a soup sandwich. Correcting table headers. Select the Layout tab in the Table Tools section. Select Repeat Header Rows in the Data section.